Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you the basics of Fantasy World Painter. This program allows you to paint height values on a planetary scale and get the corresponding rendered world maps. When first open the program, it will show you a default configuration. This configuration roughly represents the Earth. You can generate a completely new configuration by going to Edit and click the Generate button. Here we get a world map that's very different from the planet Earth. If you look at the map panel here, the various color cells represent height on the planet. For instance, the orange color represents a basic land. We can easily create an island here in this region by drawing a few land cells. If you click the render button, we can see we have an island here. And you can modify the current topology of the planet by changing the height values at different locations. To the right, you see the final result. And the blue color represents ocean, and the white color represents the snowy mountains. You can change a representation of the world map by changing the projection. Behind the scene, you can think of it as a spherical planet, and you can see it in the orthographic view. Here we can see the spherical representation of the planet itself. You can also change it to using other mappings. For instance, the Movaid mapping allows you to see the entire world map, while the North Pole and the South Pole has less distortions. If we go back to the Mercator projection, you can change the mapping center by changing the latitude and longitude sliders. Here, if we shift towards the right, you can see that the map is shifting towards the right, and you can go further, and that will change the center of our map. After you are done with making modifications, you want to save your work. You can continue working on it later by opening your saved document. To save, go to File, Save. And here we can say our work is my planet and save it as a .planet file. And in the future, we want to continue work, just click Open and open the previous one. The preview result you see here is only a low resolution preview. You can save a high resolution render result by clicking the Save Image button. You can pick the resolution from the options here. Notice that if you pick a higher resolution, it can take much longer to render. Here, let's just save with the default resolution. It's going to take a few seconds, and after it's done, we can see our result in the File Explorer. And this is our high resolution world map. Congratulations, you have made your first world map.